So in this Letterboxd tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to like a movie here on the Letterboxd app. So once you're into the Letterboxd app, this is the home screen. What you can either do is find a movie that you perhaps saw this week that could be popular. So here on the screen, there's Saltburn, which just came out. There's Wonka. There's The Iron Claw. There's Barbie, Love Actually, because it's the holiday season. So all this kind of stuff here. Or what you can do is go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Go to the top and then find a video or find a movie, my apologies, or a TV show that you perhaps watch that you want to like or add this to your profile. So if you, for example, go back to the main screen, I haven't seen the Iron Claw, but if you wanted to press on the Iron Claw, and you actually have, potentially seen this movie, simply just go to the top here, press on the three little dots at the top, in the top right, and then where it says watch, like, and watch list, you can simply just press on like right here. If the heart is colored in, that means that you have liked it. You can rate it as well. And then once you're done, press on done. So for me, I actually haven't watched this video, so I'm not going to do anything, but pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can like a movie on Letterboxd. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.